Before creating a fire, make some firewoods and randomly place them in the center. Now we can see where and how the flame should move. Now go to the side or front view. Here draw 3 curves in the shape of fire. It is important that the curves start from the bottom, otherwise the animation will go from top to bottom. When you finish here, go to perspective view. Hold right click on one of the curves and select Control Vertex. Then freely move the vertices to make the fire's path three-dimensional. When you're done with the curves, create a simple cube. Make sure it's in the center of the coordinate system. Then go to Modify and press Freeze Transformation. After that, go to Mesh tab and create a mesh network. Go to Attribute Editor, find Distribute tab. Here, set all settings to 0 and change the number of points. Go back to Mesh tab and press Curve. Then go to Outliner, find your curves and holding middle click, drag them one by one to this box. Increase the step value and reduce the animation speed. Now you can play the animation and see how it goes. The movement looks a bit like liquid. As I know, the fire is always pointing up. So to get this effect, you need to uncheck Calculate Rotation here. Also, I want to make it pulsing, so just change the value of the time step variation. Now go to the main Mesh tab and press on Influence. Change the influence power and influence radius according to your preferences. Now you can play with the previous settings until your animation looks more or less fine. When you're satisfied with what you've done, select the mesh object, go to UV menu, and create a cylindrical UV map. Pull the green box to make it higher than the object. Now go to the Render tab and assign Standard Surface Material. Select orange as the base color, reduce specular and increase emissions weight. Press on the box in front of the color and choose Ramp in Appeared window. Then select colors for your fire from top to bottom. After that, select the mesh object and go to Light Editor. Here, press on Create a new AI Mesh Light. Now as you can see, the object turned into a source of light, but it became invisible, so just check the box for Show Original Mesh. If we start Arnold in the viewport, you can change some of the light settings and see how it looks like live. The fire looks nice, but I want to make it glowing. Go to Render Settings, find Environment, click on the box and create AI Atmosphere Volume. Then change its density and anisotropy. Now I'm just gonna quickly add some other objects just to make the scene completed.